Want to keep your newly installed assemblies quarter-inch SAE test cocks protected? Put a cap on them. Want to protect quarter-inch NPT test ports? Put a cap on them. TurboCaps. Made from food-grade materials just like your water bottle caps. TurboCaps take only a moment to install with only your hands. Put away that freakishly small wrench, and unlike push-in plugs, TurboCaps are easy to remove. TurboCaps are strong and will hold up in the field even under extreme circumstances. Generous 50-count bags will protect your quarter-inch SE flare test cocks and your quarter-inch female MPT test ports. A port plug and a cap in one. TurboCaps. Find TurboCaps and other awesome products to save you time and money at arbiterbackflow.com.